It's very. Today we are cooking gulay. I don't know if we can call this chop suey. I don't know. I don't know the etymology of chop suey. So, Mamshi, what are you cooking today? So, I'm just sauteing. So, garlic first and then onions. Luluto ko yung mga tira-tirang mga gulay. Tapon natin yan. Mga tira-tirang gulay sa fridge, no? Perfect. We do again method of concoction. That's what we always do. Kaya nanggugulo, may gusto tumasa, sa sofa. If you can hear her barking. Let's neglect her for now. It's the Maui. Si Madam M is nanggugulo sa ating video. I can hear her. Let's not get distracted by that pretty girl. Yan. Mekos of our bawang sibuyas and a bit of pork. Tira ko nung last time. I just bought a bit of pork and then I actually kept half of it, no? Para may pangsahog lang tayo. I don't like it kapag ka nagluluto ng gulay and pag maraming yung meat, I don't like that. Pag pangsahog, I like it in small pieces. Yan. When we were just students, ang aking best, my younger sister Alona in Baguio, we had very good experience because we had to cook because wala kaming masyadong allowance. So, inuutang lang naman ni Tata yung aming allowance, kaya kailangan magtutugtog kami. Kaya, we actually cooked our own food. At majority, bumibili kami ng gulay sa Hilltop every weekend. And then, yung pansahog namin at sobrang konti. But then, ang awa naman ng Diyos, no, we have a very good mindset. We always tell ourselves, we see His goodness in everything. Wala kaming mga hang-ups ba? And we always tell ourselves, kapag marami tayong gulay, nakakainin kasi sa Baguio noon, gulay mura, di ba? Sabi namin, gas meat, maganda yan para pag-uwi natin ng Pampanga, kung marami tayong kakainin gulay while we are in Baguio, no? So that's kami lang natin. I was in engineering and siya mass communication. And we had actually a very good relationship. We had lots of fun. Meaning, ang pagiging fun ng buhay doesn't really depend on having too much money, no? Marami kaming mga good memories na if you would bring back the hands of time or the clock, we will not erase anything except for yung challenges siguro ni tatay, nahirapan siyang siyempre magpaaral sa amin. So, napakasaya niya, no? Nangungutang ko lang para lang kami ay mapaaral. And we thank God for good tatay like tatay. Nako, very, siya selfless. He really showed, hindi lang yung sasabihin niyang I love you. We were not people, we were never verbal families. We not verbal, hindi kami kiss, hug, and everything. We don't say I love you. And pinapakita namin how we love each other. No? It's really something. And, yeah, ganyan. Mekos ng gulay. Walang masyadong kami noon. And then, pag uwi namin ng Pampanga, anong maganda? Ganda ng putos namin, kaya, yeah, walang masama sa gulay. Napakaganda ng gulay. Kaya, gulay is life. Alright. Till next time, Mamshis. Have a good day. God bless you all. Bye.